Coffee grounds. Coffee grounds aren't just for making yourself a brew. They're also one of the simple home remedies that can be effective in getting rid of mosquitoes. You just need to pour a bag of coffee grounds into any stagnant water where the mosquitoes like to lay eggs. When you do that, the mosquitoes' eggs in the water will rise to the surface. This will cause them to automatically die due to oxygen depletion. 2. Camphor. With camphor, the translucent white stuff you usually get in Vicks Vapo Rub, you'll just need to close the doors and windows of the room and light up the camphor in something like a camphor lamp. Leave the room for around half an hour, and once you come back, you should find all the mosquitoes present in the room dead. 3. Citronella oil. Citronella oil is an essential oil found in the leaves and stems of different species of lemongrass. As well as smelling great, this oil is one of the best remedies for getting rid of mosquitoes, and it can be used in multiple ways. Either spray into your room, apply it to your body, or inject it into a candle and light it up. 4. Lavender oil. Another popular aromatherapy oil is lavender oil, which mosquitoes can't stand the smell of. You can keep mosquitoes away by spraying lavender oil in the room, where it'll act as a natural air freshener and ward those pesky mites away. Alternatively, you can apply it onto exposed parts of your body for additional protection. 5. Pinion wood. Pinion wood is a dense, slow-growing hardwood pine that produces a smoky pine fragrance, which has inspired many winter and Christmas-themed candles over the years. The added bonus is that while humans can't get enough of the smell, mosquitoes hate it. When you burn pinion wood outside your house, the smell produced is powerful enough to kill any mosquito within the environment. 6. Peppermint. Peppermint has a minty smell and is used as an herbal remedy for everything from digestion relief to treating tension headaches. It can also be sprayed in an environment to prevent a mosquito invasion. Feel free to spray as much as you want, as peppermint oil is completely non-toxic. 7. Rosemary. One of the simpler methods to ward off mosquitoes is to gather a few stalks of rosemary and burn them in a large, fire-safe bowl. The smell produced when this plant is burnt will send away any mosquitoes that are hanging around. 8. Catnip and feverfew. You might not know much about feverfew, though you'll be familiar with catnip if you own a certain four-legged friend. Both plants are excellent natural mosquito repellents. You can plant them in your garden to prevent mosquitoes from reproducing around your home environment. 9. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil contains antibacterial and antifungal properties that can fight off mosquitoes remarkably. The simplest way to stay protected from mosquito bites is to mix in a few drops of tea tree oil with some water or a carrier oil like coconut and apply it onto your body. 10. Garlic. The smell of garlic is usually unpleasant to mosquitoes. You'll just need to crush a handful of garlic cloves, mix them with water to form a paste, then let it boil for a few minutes. After boiling, spray the mixture in the room to kill all the mosquitoes present. 11. Beer. Here's an amusing, natural method of warding off the mozzies. Beer. Mosquitoes don't like the smell of alcohol, so actually any alcoholic beverage you have on hand should do the trick. Just place a glass of your tipple of choice in your bedroom to keep the mosquitoes away. 12. Eucalyptus oil and lemon oil. There are so many essential oils that can be used for sending off mosquitoes, and eucalyptus oil and lemon oil are yet another two. Mix the eucalyptus and the lemon oil, then apply it on your body to prevent the mosquitoes from biting you. 13. Coconut oil and lilac oil. Lilac oil contains antiviral and antiprotozoan properties. Apply it to your body. Mix together with coconut oil, and you'll have the best chances of keeping the mosquitoes well away. 14. Dry ice. Though it's a little more time-consuming, the dry ice method of getting rid of mosquitoes is pretty effective. Just place dry ice inside a container, and over several hours, it'll attract mosquitoes thanks to its carbon dioxide emissions. When all the mosquitoes in your home have gathered in the container, you can close the lid and leave the trapped mosquitoes to die.